Welcome to the future. The year is 2050. The skies above are buzzing, not with birds, but with flying cars. Below, artificial intelligence orchestrates every part of life, from smart homes that think for you, to cities that breathe and evolve in real time. This isn't science fiction. This is our next reality. Join us as we explore what life might look like in a world where flying cars take us to work. AI learns our desires before we do, and society redefines what it means to be human. Let's start in the sky. Flying cars once a dream limited to comic books and Jetsons reruns are now a mainstream mode of transport.
By 2050, flying cars have evolved into quiet electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, eVTOLs. They're faster than helicopters, safer than traditional cars, and completely autonomous.
Thanks to powerful AI navigation systems, these vehicles calculate the safest and fastest routes in real time, avoiding congestion and weather-related delays. Skyports now dot every major city, allowing commuters to travel from downtown to suburbs in under 10 minutes. But flying cars are only part of the transformation. Cities themselves have become intelligent. AI manages traffic flows, monitors pollution, optimizes energy use, and even controls city farming operations that feed millions. Sensors embedded everywhere feed data into central AI cores. Your home knows you, it sets your schedule, suggests meals based on your health data, and coordinates with the city grid to reduce energy usage. By 2050, we've entered an era of deep human-AI integration. Not just smart assistants, but AI companions as systems that learn with you, grow with you, and evolve based on your emotions, habits, and goals. Education is personalized, healthcare is predictive. Mental health care is more accessible and proactive, thanks to emotionally intelligent AI. And in the workplace, AI doesn't replace humans, it amplifies them. It handles the grunt work, the analysis, the optimization, leaving people to focus on creativity, strategy, and empathy. Of course, with great innovation comes great responsibility. Who controls the AI? How do we prevent bias, surveillance, or inequality from becoming coded into our systems? Governments have had to evolve. Digital rights are now part of global constitutions. AI ethics councils are comprised of humans and machines, oversee decisions once left to corporations alone. Ultimately, the future isn't about AI versus humans. It's about cooperation, augmentation, balance. Imagine your typical Tuesday. You wake up. Your room gently brightens, sensing your circadian rhythm. A drone delivers your breakfast, tailored to your genome. Your AI assistant has prepped your presentation and booked your flight to Tokyo, which will take 30 minutes. Entertainment is immersive. You don't just watch a movie, you enter it. Your friends? They might be real, avatars, or even AI companions you help design. The future isn't perfect, but it is promising. Flying cars won't solve every problem, AI won't fix every flaw. But together they offer a canvas, a new chapter for humanity to write.
I'm standing here at an airport runway, and I can't help but wonder, will flying cars make these massive jets obsolete? It's a question that's been buzzing around my mind lately, and today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of aviation's future. We'll explore how flying cars, or eVTOLs as they're technically called, might reshape our skies and what that means for the planes we've all grown up with. So, buckle up and get ready for takeoff. Now, here's something cool about airplanes. They're absolute champions when it comes to long-distance, high-capacity travel. Think about it. When you need to cross oceans or continents, nothing beats a commercial jet. These engineering marvels are designed to carry hundreds of passengers, thousands of miles at a time. And that's a role that's not going away anytime soon, even with the advent of flying cars. But wait, there's more. While flying cars or eVTOLs are incredibly exciting, they're designed for a different purpose. They're perfect for short to mid-range trips, typically within 200, 300 miles. The physics behind this is fascinating. eVTOLs use distributed electric propulsion, which is great for efficiency at lower speeds and altitudes, but, doesn't scale well for long-distance, high-altitude flight. So, while they might not replace your transatlantic flight, they could revolutionize regional travel. Let's break this down. Short-haul flights, those under 300 miles, are often a headache for airlines. They're expensive to operate, inefficient, and sometimes even unprofitable due to fuel costs, airport fees, and crew expenses. This is where flying cars could really shake things up. Imagine on-demand air taxis zipping between cities, bypassing traffic and reducing travel time significantly. The aerodynamics at play here are really interesting. eVTOLs can take advantage of urban air currents and shorter flight paths that traditional planes can't access. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Airlines aren't just sitting back and watching this happen. Many are already investing in or acquiring eVTOL companies. They're looking at ways to offer hybrid ticketing, like flying you from New York to Los Angeles on a jet, then seamlessly transitioning you to a flying car for your final destination. But wait, there's more! The impact of flying cars goes beyond just the vehicles themselves. It's going to change how we think about airlines and airports too. Airlines might transform from simply being plane operators to becoming comprehensive mobility providers. This shift involves some really cool technology, like AI-powered routing algorithms that can seamlessly integrate different modes of air travel. And airports? They're in for a major makeover. We might see vertiports popping up for last-mile air travel. The engineering challenges here are immense, from designing new air traffic control systems to creating infrastructure that can handle both traditional planes and eVTOLs. It's a complex puzzle, but one that's incredibly exciting to watch unfold. The physics and engineering behind this transition are mind-blowing, and I can't wait to see how it all comes together. As we wrap up our flight into the future of aviation, it's clear that we're on the cusp of something truly revolutionary. Flying cars won't make airplanes obsolete, but they will complement them, creating a more diverse and flexible air travel ecosystem. It's a future where long-haul jets and short-hop eVTOLs coexist, where airlines become comprehensive travel providers, and where our very concept of an airport evolves. The sky's no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want more glimpses into the future. Until next time, keep dreaming big.